What's up guys, this is Matt from Tech for Geeks, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install custom recovery on your device and root it as well. So on Android 6.0 the process is the same, except they customized the kernel, which means you have to upload a custom kernel as well. So let's get started. So first you are going to have to download the custom recovery from TeamWin, the TWRP recovery. This is a really good one. It's touch friendly and it has all the tools you need, but we're just going to be using it to flash two other things. So you're going to have to download this over here. This is for Nexus 7, but they have other devices as well. So here's the Nexus 7 one. And next you're going to have to download Super SU. This is the tool you use to manage apps that need root access. And this is the latest version. It's in beta and it is needed for this root. So it's over here. The version might change, but the page will remain the same, so I'll leave a link in the description below. And the last but not least thing that you have to download is the Elemental X kernel. So this is what's needed for the root to work, and they have Nexus 7 as well, so they have other devices as well. And so down here you can download either one of these two. I'm sure they will work, but I'm going to download the 5.0 one because this one's in beta or something. So I already have them downloaded, and let's get started. So first we're gonna have to power off our device and go to the bootloader just like earlier in the first video. So you have to hold down the power button and the volume down button. So now we're in bootloader mode, and now we have to open a command prompt like earlier. We have to open one in here, and now we have to do Fastboot erase recovery to erase the old one. So that erases the recovery partition, and now we do Fastboot flash recovery TWRP 2.8.7.0.flow.img, and this will flash the recovery onto your device. And so as you can see, it's already finished, and now you have to click Reboot Bootloader. You cannot boot into the operating system. It will erase the recovery image, and in order to keep it, you have to reboot the bootloader and then boot straight into recovery. So let's reboot it. And now you can use the volume keys to select recovery. So recovery mode, and now it should boot into TWRP. So let's see if that works. The good thing about the recovery is that once you boot into it, it lets you have access to your file system, so you can upload these files. So don't worry if you didn't upload them right now. So now it already popped up, I can upload them. So internal storage, I can put them in download, and we need to put in the beta.su, super SU, and Elemental X. So let's drag those in here. And now let's go back to the tablet. So now you're gonna have to click install. And it doesn't matter which order you install it, I think it shouldn't make any difference, but just to be safe, actually you can select both of them. So let's select Super SU first, add more zips, Elemental X. So now we have two, and you can select to confirm flash. And now it is installing them, installing Super SU first, and then it is also installing Elemental X in just a second. Now it's installing Elemental X. Oh, you can even see their logo. And you are about to flash Elemental X. Oh, I didn't get this pop up on my phone, but that's cool. So next, agree. Oh, whoops. Agree. Okay, Yeah, these kernels let you change everything, but unless you're a professional, I wouldn't recommend changing anything. So I'll keep everything at default. Let's just install it. There's too much. I didn't have this on my phone because they had an express option, which, you know, just let you install it. But this is the normal version, I guess, and I don't know if they'll make an express version for the Nexus 7, but if they do, I'll link you guys to that instead. So it's finished. Next, finish, swipe to unlock, and now we reboot the system and the device will be rooted, and I will tell you how long this takes because it has to configure some apps in the beginning after that happens, so I'll speed this up. So now it's, I guess, complete, and it is. If you open up the device, yeah, that's my passcode, haha. So now if you open up the device, Super SU is here. You can click it, settings, 2.51, and I guess that's all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you need any help in doing this on your own Nexus device or any other device. I wouldn't mind assisting you with anything. So don't be afraid to ask, and stay tuned for upcoming videos on Marshmallow and El Capitan, and maybe Windows 10 as well. And I also might have a review still planned for the OnePlus 2. So yeah, thanks for watching.